Hello students. Today we start the next point, that is different oils which used in aromatherapy. So previous video I talked on the aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is nothing but the treatment by using the oils. So in the aromatherapy, different types of oils are used. For example, jojoba oil. The first example in your syllabus, that is the jojoba oil. So the botanical name of these plants is the Simondosia chinensis. Its synonyms is goat nuts or deer nuts. So mostly these plants is observed in the desert area. So these plants shows some the xerophytic characters on their plants. So let's see the characters of these plants. So these plants grows up to the 3 to 6 feet. It has broad, dense crown of leaves. Leaves are oval in shapes, thick and waxy. This shows the xerophytic characters. And flowers are small and greenish yellow colored. जो इसके leaves are thicked and oval shaped and having the waxy coatings. The flowers are very small and greenish yellow colored. The fruit is ovoid and three-angled capsules. The fruit is 1 to 2 meter long, and mature seed is hard, oval and dark brown, and this contains the oils. जो fruits है, fruits are long to 1 to 2 meters. Then mature seeds are also hard and they are dark brown in colors, and it contains the oils. So these seeds are the source of oils. So next is about how the jojoba oil is prepared. So this oil is prepared from the seeds. The seeds are extracted and jojoba oil is prepared. This oil is aromatic oil, and this oil is mostly used in aromatherapy. So this is regarding the plants. Then you have to write about the meaning of the aromatherapy. That is same from the question 1. And then mode of applications, that is the aerial diffusions, direct inhalations and topical applications. Then you have to write about the applications or treatments, in that these aromatherapy are useful to cure the diseases and also prevent the diseases. Then it is used for reductions in pains, reduces anxiety, then used in enhancement of energy, enhance or increasing the short-term memory, then a relaxation of mind, stress and tensions. Also it is useful in the hair loss treatment and in reduction or a reduction in eczema. So these are some applications or treatments of the aromatherapy. So you have to mention about the application. So if the question asks in any one oil or use of jojoba oil in aromatherapy, then you have to first of all you have to mention the botanical name, its synonym and morphology of that plants. Then how the oil is prepared, that is preparation of jojoba oil. Then about the aromatherapy, meaning of aromatherapy, modes of applications and the uses or treatments of the aromatherapy. Then next is about the what are the applications of role of lemon oil in aromatherapy. So lemon, as you know, this botanical name of lemon is the citrus lemon, and synonyms is the lemon plants. The morphology of these plants, I think all of you are seeing the lemon plants. So these lemon plants is shrubs, and It's about 10 to 15 feet in height. Then it is woody stem is branched and bears the canopy of leaves. The leaves are small, simple, abovate leaves. The leaves are simple with wings like expanded structure at petioles. The plants bear small flowers and fruits are oblong, spherical and massive. The fruits are attractive yellow color containing the shiny oils, rinds and sour, liquidous and juicy. The lemon juice is a rich source of vitamin C, that is a rich source of ascorbic acid. The fruit rind and leaves are used to extract the lemon oil, has wide applications in aromatherapy. So, as you know, these lemon plants contain the vitamin C, and these vitamin C's are rich in the ascorbic acid. So, this lemon oil is extracted from the fruit rinds and leaves of the lemon, and the about these plants you have to familiar about this plant. So leaves are very small, simple and about leaves. The two wings are present near the petioles. Then flowers are very small and fruits are oblong, massive and spherical in shapes. On these fruits, the yellow color, it having the yellow colors and shiny oils, and these rinds or sour, liquidous, juicy substances are present in these fruits. The lemon oil mostly extracted from the fruit rinds and leaves of the lemon plants, and this oil having the very wide applications in aromatherapy. So this is regarding the morphology of plants. Then you have to write about the aromatherapy, then mode of applications and uses of uh, aromatherapy or uses of oils. Then next example in your syllabus, that is the jasmine oil. So question is give the details of jasmine oil with reference to the aromatherapy. So jasmine oil, that is prepared from the plants Jasminum officinale, that is the mogra plants हम उसे बोलते हैं. So synonyms is the mogra or Jacksonia or Menadora. So about this plant or morphology, it is shrubs. It has nodes from stems. Therefore, it twigs around support. It is also vine. Then it is deciduous plants. It is erect, spreading vines with support. The leaves are borne opposite or alternate. It may be simple or pinnately compound. The flowers born in the cymose inflorescence, minimum 3 flowers born in clusters. Each flower has 4 to 9 petals. Calyx is bell shaped and flowers are very scented, fragrant, and it yields the yellowish aromatic oil. As you seen the flowers of Jasminum officinalis. So these plants is shrubby plants and it is vines, and for supporting these plants they develop the vines. So the leaves of these plants are opposite or alternates, and they can be simple or maybe pinnately compound. The flowers are cymose inflorescence. In these, the 3 flowers clusters are observed in this plant, and each flowers हैविंग द 4 to 9 पेटल्स उसमें रहते हैं. जो कैलेक्स है वो कैलेक्स बेल शेप की तरह रहता है. और दिस मोस्टली दिस फ्लावर्स आर very scented and fragrant. So in aromatherapy, from these petals of these flowers, the jasmine oil is prepared. So preparation of oils, these fresh flowers are distillation takes place, and due to these by the distillations the jasmine oil which is prepared. This oil will be aromatic oils and is used in the aromatherapy. The other information regarding the meaning of aromatherapy, then modes of aromatherapy, and the uses of this oil you have to mention in this next points. So in aromatherapy in your syllabus the 3 oils are mentioned. First one is the jojoba oil, then lemon oil and jasmine oil. If the question asks for short notes, then only ask about any one types of oil. If the question asks for long question, then at a time two about the information of two aromatic oils are asked. So today's lecture, first I have talked about the jojoba oil. The jojoba oil is extracted from the plants Simondosia chinensis, and its synonyms is goat nut or deer nut. These plants are mostly observed in the desert condition or desert areas. The morphology of these plants, this is the 3 to 6 feet and having the crown of leaves, and leaves are oval shaped and waxy or thickened. Then flowers small and greenish. Fruits are 1 to 2 meters long and ovoid or ovoid shapes. Then mature seeds are hard oval and dark brown in color. The oil is extracted from the seeds by the extraction processes, and then this oil is used in the aromatherapy. Next is about the lemon oil. Lemon oil is prepared from the plant citrus lemon. The morphology of lemon plants, it is shrubs having the woody stem is branched and which bears the canopy of leaves. Then leaves are small, simple or above it. These two crowns are present on the petioles. Then plants bears very small flowers and fruits are oblong, spherical and massive. The fruits are the yellow colored and containing the juice which is rich source of vitamin C and rich of the ascorbic acid. The lemon oil is mostly prepared from the lemon rind and leaves of the plants. Then third is the jasmine oil. So jasmine oil is prepared from the plant Jasminum officinale, that is mogra, and it is shrubs having, or it is vine deciduous. The leaves are alternate and simple or pinnately compounds. The flowers are in cymose inflorescence. They are present in the clusters of 3 flowers and having the 4 to 9 petals. Calyx is the bell shape, so the oil is extracted from these oils by the distillation processes. So this is regarding the different oils used in the aromatherapy. I hope all of you are understood about this different oils which are used in the aromatherapy. So now I stop here.